Pi pioneers, today is the open network launch of Pi. First, I'd like to congratulate the over 16 million pioneers around the world for transitioning to the open network. This is the result of our collective efforts for the last 6 years. We should celebrate this historic moment of our network. Now, reviewing Pi's journey, it has always been a unique project. Some would find it different. Yes, it is. Pi is a nonconformist. Many innovations came from nonconformists who challenged the norms, the conventions, and the established practices. As for Pi, in early days of crypto, where many projects fundraise through ICO, Pi never did ICO, never sold Pi. And the Pi is made sure to be accessible and for free for everyone. 80% of the Pi tokens belong to the people and the community. When a crypto project can go live with just a white paper, a smart contract, and these days even a meme, Pi community spent 6 years building its infrastructure, its ecosystem, and make sure that its utility is ready for use before opening up. Also, for most blockchains, most of the addresses are unverified. Pi chose to conduct identity verification through KYC and KYB for millions of its users to make sure individuals and businesses on the mainnet are verified, because Pi believes true decentralization does not contradict authenticity and the legitimacy. Some crypto critics raise concern that Pi users are too mainstream. Is that a problem? We don't think so. This is the greatest strength of Pi network that the community has been striving to build and create for the last 6 years. Ordinary people like pioneers are the driving force behind Pi, because Pi is set to solve the problem of mass adoption and real-world utility. Pi welcomes both crypto enthusiasts and mainstream audience. History has shown technology only endures when it meets the real human needs of the mainstream. Otherwise, it will be just a passing trend. So, crypto industry overall will also benefit from the joining of a lot of mainstream audience to together create true utility of blockchain technology. Today is open network. What does that mean? It means the firewall of the Pi blockchain is removed to allow external connectivity. With the external connectivity possible, it is more convenient for merchants to do local commerce, selling their goods and services in local marketplaces, for developers to further develop their apps and complete their logic in their business model. Also, for creators to gain more influence and for general pioneers to connect and transact with each other. For new developers, you're welcome to tap into this widely distributed crypto-enabled network. If you already have a business model, come and test and sell your products in Pi. For developers who don't have a business model but have a great app experience, there is already a business model ready to go for you through Pi App Network, where the platform allows you to have traffic, provide you with traffic, and allow you to monetize. And in the meantime, utility of Pi is created for all pioneers. And this is great for Pi network overall. So pioneers, final words. Don't let the noises distract you. Focus on what matters and what makes a difference in crypto space and in the world. Keep working and keep creating, and everything else will follow. Let's show the world a different path to crypto and the power of Pi network in the new era of open network.